Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you that this cover that I was referring to over here with the motor that was attached to it. The motor was attached to this part of the cover. Please excuse this, the rest of my tools here. This is my little tool set that I use. But this cover, the motor actually attaches to this part of the cover over here. And if you don't, you see it's got clips over here on the side. Let me just go out to the car again so that I can give you a better view of this motor. Okay, wait. Car's locked now. Okay, let me